Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Series 3 to a new iPhone. First, make sure your Apple Watch is charged to at least 50% and powered on. Then, bring your Apple Watch close to your new iPhone. Your iPhone should display a prompt to set up the Apple Watch. If not, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing to begin the process. Once the pairing screen appears, use your iPhone's camera to scan the animation on your Apple Watch display. This automatically links the devices. Next, you'll choose whether to set up your Apple Watch as a new device or restore it from a previous backup. After making your selection, review and accept the terms and conditions to move forward with the setup. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. This is crucial for features like app downloads and iCloud synchronization. You will also set up a 4-digit passcode for your watch, which helps protect your personal data. Finally, customize settings such as activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and Siri preferences to personalize your experience. The final step involves waiting for your Apple Watch to synchronize all its data from your iPhone. This process can take several minutes, so please be patient. Once synchronization is complete, you can install any desired applications directly from the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Your Apple Watch Series 3 is now fully connected and ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.